All right, everyone, a quick update on Pangolin here. So we're going to focus on the Gate IO chart. And as you guys know, the last time we were in a very bullish pattern here, we had a nice run up on the price. And then, of course, again, we are in this very large falling wedge bull flag pattern, whatever you want to call this pattern here. We are still, as of right now, holding for 2 months here over the 0.5 at 22.7. We are on the weekly candles here. By the way, this new green line I drew on the chart is the low to the high 3 at 2 at about 30 cents. So once we get over 30 cents, low to the high, we can consider this short-term bullish. And then once we punch through about 35, that's going to pretty much confirm a move out of this to the upside here. So as long as we're holding strong here above 227, we need to move up about 20%. Once we get over that, we could be bullish for a push right up to the 618 at 47, and that is about a 90% move. But then if we get another huge run out of this thing, we may do a 5x out of this thing. As you can see, all the way up here to the 786 at 133 is about a 432% move. So a little over a 5x out of this pattern if our measured move here, and we're going to have a strong move up on PNG. So we will see what happens if we take out 22.7 here, 22.5, and we get a weekly close below this. Then there's a good chance we're going to break down and this is not playing out. And then we'll just have to kind of pick it up and assess what is going on with PNG at that point. Now, let me go ahead and fix this because for some reason this is messed up again. I don't know how these things get moved here. So slightly off there. So you can see it changes it to 22.8 here. Now, what I was trying to do is draw a fib going from that low to the high to give you guys a price to watch if we do end up breaking down to try to remain bullish here. Not as bullish as you would be in the pattern, but you can see low to the high 3.2 is that 15. So any lower than 15, as you can see, that would be a drop of about 40% out of this pattern if it is going to break down. But any lower than 15, then that's going to confirm, at least to me, that this is the top for PNG. And as long as we have this market structure, of course, lower highs in play, any lower than that, then that's the top and you're going down further than you would like to, and it'll go up at some point in the future. I do not know when. I do not have a crystal ball, but it ain't going up anytime soon if it breaks down below 22 and then 15 here. So those are your two macro defense levels to watch here. And then, of course, that price to break over. So with all that being said on PNG, let me get that off of the chart. How high can this thing potentially still go if we remain bullish here? Of course, we already went over the 786 here. That is a $300 million market cap, which is pretty low, in my opinion, for something like PNG. I think it's going to go way higher than that. Now, with that being said, also, let's move this over, and you can see we do have the high here on the Gate IO chart, about $5. We covered that same price on the other chart. You can see that's about a 19.5x from where we are today, holding strong over that support. So if we come up to that previous high here on this chart, $5, that's going to give you that almost 20x on your investment here. And then, of course, our target here, a 5.9, almost a $6 billion market cap up to the 1272, a new high here on the Gate IO chart to 2684. And that's going to give you a 106x on your investment here. So, of course, comment down below. Do you think PNG still has the firepower to do a 100x this cycle into 2025? So, comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.